Welcome to the Harcourts Real Estate Training Center, where your professional growth is our top priority. In order to achieve this, we've crafted our learning platform with you in mind. We've tailored it to be interactive, easy to understand, and most importantly, industry relevant. Let's dive into some of the features that set our platform apart. Our courses are self-paced, but through our structured learning plan and a progress bar that shows you how far you've come, staying motivated has never been easier. Our assessments are designed to be both practical and enjoyable. But if you need a little nudge, our chapter reference pointers are right there to provide helpful hints to where you can refresh your memory on the right answer. Our goal at the Harcourts Real Estate Training Center is to not only get you qualified, but to help you learn and remember content that is relevant to your role. Learning is hands-on here, with interactive elements in our modules that keep you engaged. And to guide you along your journey, meet Mark, your AI study buddy. Mark will walk you through course content, provide additional support, and make learning feel like a conversation. Students often comment on how they always felt supported throughout the course, and while Mark is a component of that, a bigger component is our lovely and highly experienced human support team. We're always here to respond to your calls and emails when you need us. To make the most out of your opportunities at the Harcourts Real Estate Training Center, you should check out our Accelerate study groups, which provide you and your peers focused online learning sessions with a coach to help you get your qualifications faster. Our mission at the Harcourts Real Estate Training Center is to make your learning journey as seamless and rewarding as possible. If you want to learn more, feel free to reach out. We're just a call or an email away.